best_NJ, right off Amazon. Both 6-inch worm molds. This is their Robo Worm Fat Straight Tail. So you can see, and this one's just the Robo Worm Straight Tail. But you can see, oh, there's our plastisol just finished. But this one's a little bit wider. So yeah, a little fatter, a little bit different on the end there. So I'm going to get these clamped together. We're going to be using marsh grass from Dead On Plastics for our color. And we'll get this started. Alright, so look at that color. Marsh grass with number 15 flake in it, black flake. One of my favorite colors. I love this stuff. Alright. Too much. Alright, let's get this into here. And I don't know how much these worms are going to take, so I'm just going to get pretty low down in there. That seemed good. Let's go to the first one. Alright, we hit. I'm going to leave just a little pressure. Don't want to push too hard and cause flashing. Top that off, move to the second one. Oh yeah, man, those feel good. Yeah, those shot really good. Alright, ooh. We'll top them off. A little extra top off. That's alright. Keep air from getting in. I'm all about it. Let's give them about 2 minutes, let them set, we'll pull them out. Let's take a look. Alright, we're going to go with the straight tail first. Let's see what side they're going to be on. Of course, it's going to be split side. There we go, lay down. Nice, look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that color. Yeah, those are super clean. Okay. Now the fat worms. Oh yeah. I like these fat ones. Yeah, links in the description, guys. Go check them out. It'd be for their store. Awesome.